morning students, welcome back to the science class. I hope that you all have revised the terms and question answers which we have discussed in the previous class. Today I am going to discuss how to measure mass and temperature of an object. Before going to start, first I will discuss the terms related to the topic that are mass, the amount of matter in an object, temperature, degree of hotness or coldness of an object, and last one is thermometer, a device used to measure temperature. Now students, open your book at page number 140. Our today's topic is measurement of mass. Let's start reading. How do we know which bag is heavy or light? Mass tells us how light or heavy an object is. The standard unit of measuring mass is kilogram. Lighter objects are measured in gram or milligram. Students, let's see how to measure the weight of an object with the help of picture. Children, see in this picture, a vegetable seller is using a pan balance for measuring the weight of vegetables. He has kept a pumpkin in one pan and a brinjal in other pan. We see that the pan with brinjal goes up and the pan with pumpkin goes down. Now children, can you tell me why does the pan with pumpkin go down? The pan with pumpkin goes down as it is heavier than the brinjal. Now come to the next. Children, in this picture we can clearly see that one child is unable to carry the first bag. That means this bag is heavier, and the other child is carrying the second bag very easily. It means that it is lighter than the first bag. Our students, we can use digital or electronic weighing balance to know which bag is heavy or light. Children, do you know what are the units of measuring mass? Units of measuring mass are kilogram, gram and milligram. Students, we buy vegetables, fruits, pulses, grains, rice and sugar in kilogram and spices in gram. Moreover, the things which are made of gold and silver, we buy them in gram or milligram. Now, one question is arised. What do we use to measure the mass of an object? We use a balance to measure the mass of an object. Students, underline balance means equal weight. Now come to the next line. Many types of balances are used for measuring mass. Some are shown here: beam balance, pan balance, electronic or digital weighing balance. Children, see, this is a picture of beam balance and pan balance. Beam balance is an instrument. It is used to determine the mass of an object. The balance is enclosed in a glass case in order to avoid disturbance due to air. It is used by goldsmith, scientist, etc. Now come to the next. Children, you have seen grocers use pan balance to weigh vegetables and fruits. It is used to calculate the weight of objects with the help of standard weights. And see, this is a picture of digital or electronic weighing balance. Students, this type of balance is used to weigh the mass of heavy objects. You must have seen it at Best Price, D-Mart, etc. And we also use weighing machine to check the weight of our body. Now read the next line. Which of these balances does your vegetable seller used to weigh vegetables? Our vegetable seller uses a pan balance to weigh vegetables. Now come to the next page. And next topic is measurement of temperature. Let's read. If you touch ice, your hand feels cold. If you touch a cup of tea, your hand feels hot. But does it tell you how hot or cold a body is? No. To know this, we measure its temperature. Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness of an object. Students, underline this line and come to the next line. The units used for measuring temperature are degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. The device used to measure temperature is called thermometer. Students, underline this line also. Next is clinical thermometer. I know that the normal human body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. Digital thermometer, I thought it is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Now students, can you tell me what is temperature? Temperature is degree of hotness or coldness of an object. And what does temperature tell us? Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. Students, do you know when you get fever, your body becomes hotter than the normal and your mother uses a thermometer to check your body temperature. And there are two types of thermometer, that are clinical thermometer and digital thermometer. The normal human body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. If we use a digital thermometer, then it shows 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Now come to the next. Students, degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit are the units for measuring temperature. So students, I hope that today's topic is clear to you. Now let's revise. My first question is, what is the standard unit of measuring mass? The standard unit of measuring mass is kilogram. Which device is used to measure body temperature? Thermometer is used to measure body temperature. Name some balances that are used for measuring mass. Beam balance, pan balance, and digital weighing balance are used for measuring mass. Now students, you have to do these terms and the standard units of the following on your science copy and revise the chapter thoroughly. Thank you. Have a nice day.